Software Spring. Presents. How to use PDURATION in Google Sheets. Hello folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on using the PDURATION function. Here's an introduction to PDURATION. PDURATION returns the number of periods for an investment to grow to a desired value at a constant interest rate. Interest rate is equal to interest rate divided by the number of compounding periods. Let's look at the format of the PDURATION function formula. Here's an example. Rate is the interest rate divided by the number of compounding periods per year. Present value is the investment amount. Future value is the desired future value. Alright, here is an objective of using the PDURATION function. To calculate the number of periods, in quarters, for an investment of ₹1,000, to grow to ₹2,000, at an interest rate of 6%. Okay, let me type the data. Alright, we are all set to type the PDURATION function formula. First, type equal to P, D, and select PDURATION. For rate, let's divide the interest rate by 4, to specify quarterly compounding of interest. Click this cell, type a /, and click this cell. Type comma. For present value, click this cell, and type comma. For future value, click this cell. Press enter. Let me reduce the decimal places to 2. Click decrease decimal places, as many times required. There you go. This is the number of periods, that is, 46.56 quarters, required for the investment to grow to the future value. Key point. If the compounding of interest is on a quarterly, monthly, or yearly basis, the number of periods equal number of quarters, months, or years respectively. Now, let's convert quarters to years. Divide number of quarters by number of compounding periods per year. Type equal to, click this cell. Type a /, and click this cell. Press enter. Reduce the decimal places to 2, as before. Alright, here is the number of periods in years. Quick review. PDURATION returns the number of periods for an investment to grow to the desired future value at a constant rate of interest. Divide the interest rate by the number of compounding periods per year. If interest is compounded quarterly, monthly, or yearly, number of periods equal quarters, months, or years respectively. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.